Hey everyone, and welcome to my video, which I record second time because at the first time my card was full. But I want to address a few things that people ask me about retouching. So today, not really general Photoshop knowledge, but about retouching portrait beauty images. People ask me how much to charge for images, which is the question which shouldn't be maybe related to me. And the other thing is how much time you should spend on the retouching. And I will try to answer you this because I know many people who spend a lot of time on retouching, and this is probably also my fault that I could say to people retouch a long time, maybe 3 years ago, and there's many websites teaching retouching, which the main business of they is teaching, so they will be telling you a few more things to attract you to this retouching. But what happened? We ended up, many retouchers ended up retouching images for many hours, 3-4 hours. And the answer, how much time you should spend for retouching. I'm going to make 2 time lapses on this channel showing how much time I will spend on retouching image. I will give you exact time with press recording, and so you could see not only how fast, but how much it's done on the images, how much is enough. Because people simply overdo images, and I always I try to retouch beauty images within 1 hour. When it comes to editorial, it might be actually faster. Of course, there is other time as discussion with people, etc. But remember, if you will retouch 4 hours, I'm not sure if someone will be happy to pay you for this. So you want to make your work efficient. So as I said, 1 hour for image. In the worst case, if it's very demanding image, 2 hours. But of course, it comes with the price. And when it comes to charging for the images, I could tell you how I do it. I try to think how much I retouch, how much time it takes me to retouch images, how much time it takes me to retouch whole set. For example, if I get set of 10 images, and this is something for magazine, and I try to think, can I do it within 1 day? I try to think how much money should I make? And based on this, I often can ask people for $30 per image, which is the lower part. If that would be some crazy demanding beauty, of course, that would be more. If that would be some big campaign, that's different pricing. But I usually tell people for like editorial pricing, this is what I do, and this is what I like to do. And also part of my job is teaching people. So if someone asks me, I have set of 10 images, I want to have it done, can you clean it up? And then I tell this price. So make sure you don't waste your time on retouching. Don't listen this, don't check too many forums telling people that they were doing Dutch and burn for 3 hours, or they were retouching image for 4 hours. This is not what you want to do, and this is not where you want to start. You want to learn to retouch fast and don't do more than it's needed. These images, many images that you see that are so perfectly cleaned, magazines not necessarily want them this way. So think about this. If you do for beauty campaign and they say make it perfect, you do it perfect. But if it's portfolio thing, if it's magazine, that will be different stories. So this is what I want to address once again. 2 time lapses will be here showing the time of retouching, and except that, few videos about general knowledge, blending modes, adjustment layers. So link to the courses in the description if you want to learn beauty retouching. I just made a course 2 weeks ago, and link in the description. There's also the course about adjustment layers, blending modes, and masks. I will also put link in the description. And tomorrow you can expect the first time lapse on this channel. Thank you.